outside, and all of a sudden the sirens are going off. So we're gonna go see what's going on. It's probably a thunderstorm.
Yes, it is. Why not? Crazy.
And find appropriate cover. Once again, there is a tornado warning that is in effect. Iowa Speedway may not provide adequate protection from extremely high winds, lightning, hail, or tornadoes. There is no basement or approved tornado shelter on property. All locations in central Iowa should practice their severe weather emergency plans. Practice your severe weather emergency plans. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. This is a test. This is NOAA All Hazards Limit Radio Station WXL 57 at Des Moines, Iowa, transmitting on 162.55 MHz.
Seriously, this is crazy. I'm in awe.